Hi guys, how you doing? Theta is right up now, 20% today. It was up 30% yesterday. It is keep on pumping, so we gotta talk about it. What is happening with Theta up here? You can see up here weekly time frame up here. This candle up here on the week is up 56. It was 65% during the week, but it's right now 50% towards the upside. And what you're gonna see over here is that the accumulation zone down here on the bottom is pretty much over. Doesn't matter how you draw it. This over here was actually accumulation zone down here towards the downside. This is the first move outside of accumulation zone, and right now is doing this big pullback outside of entire accumulation zone towards upside. So technically speaking, right now there is no other way to say than Theta is outside of the accumulation zone, and right now we are looking for bigger moves towards the upside. But it is only the very first move, so the big question is, where is the price going after this? Now we could look at the small time frames and see how this is actually playing out, whether this is top or not, but I think it would be more interesting for the first video to actually look at, you know, what kind of resistance level do we look at and how high can this actually go. The other thing that you're gonna notice is that the previous lows down here and right now these, you know, market lows are, you know, higher than previous. So over here in the previous bear market we are very low, but we didn't come below that, which is actually very good. Now we are not that high over here towards upside. This is actually 30x move towards, is this actually 30x move towards, no, it's 10x move towards upside. This is actually very stupidly bullish. I don't know if you know, but I wrote on X not so long ago, if your coin is 10 times higher in the bear market right now than it was in the bear market in 2019, your coin is gonna make it. What you're gonna see over here on Theta right now is that it is 10 times higher. So the bear market from previously, the bear market right now, it's 10 times higher. That means that there is definitely bullishness in the charts. A lot of coins go below the previous lows and stuff like that, which is actually not very good. This actually looks legitimately good, and the first level of resistance right now on the chart is $2.9. Now this is only the very first level of resistance right now, and it's gonna break it eventually. But right now we are getting out of this accumulation zone down the box or down the bottom. You can see over here we are getting out of the accumulation zone right now, and we are going towards 2.9. I think that's the very first level. Whether it's gonna do it right now or not, I don't know, but it does seem that it has, you know, something like, you know, 34% more towards upside before it hits this very first level of resistance, and then we're gonna see how it reacts. After that we get to the next level of resistance at 4.1, which is also very important, and we need to take that into consideration. After that there is the blue box over here that's in this range up here, the tops up here and bottoms down here. It goes from 5 to 7. We're gonna see how this actually reacts, and the last level of resistance before the all-time high and stuff like that is 12.3 bucks, right? So now the big question comes, do I see Theta going above the all-time high? I don't know. I do like that it's 10 times higher than the previous bear market bottom, which signifies, you know, very strong bullishness up here in the bear market, which is very good. Whether it's gonna break the you know, 12 bucks over here or not, we have to wait and see, but it does look very good. Now oftentimes how we figure out, you know, how high this can actually go, you can see right now from the very bottom to the very top, that's 20x, and if it does 20x, it is possible, and if it breaks towards the upside, you know, we are looking at 30-40, but you know, very important level or every single time is around 50x up here. That's around something like, you know, $29. That's gonna be 50x from the bottom towards the top, right? So this is actually very important, and you know, just because, you know, people are buying over here, you know, they're not gonna get 50x but from the very bottom towards the very top up here, that's 50x. So if it does manage to break this 12.3 bucks over here, there's a very good probability it's gonna hit 29 bucks. So I'm definitely these two levels I'm looking at. But first thing first, guys, always first thing first, 2.9, guys, 2.9. And right now if you look at this candle over here and go to some kind of small time frames, you'll see that right now that this is just pumping like crazy, right? So this is daily hourly time frame over here, and right now we can see that this actually is, you know, curving towards upside in parabolic move. This doesn't seem to be done just yet, so I do believe right now it's very close to this 2.9, and after that we're gonna see how high this actually can go. So we're gonna do an update on Theta because this point is very bullish. I do like that it is 10 times higher than the previous low, which is actually very nice. And it all depends, you know, how bullish we are, how much hype there is. If you like these guys, if you like the charts, the lines and stuff like that, there is a link down below. If you want to join TA Fans Club community, we do lines, we do videos, we do member streams. You gotta be the green name, so do join that, check that out. And for everybody else, there is also a public Telegram channel if you want to do that. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you around another time. Bye bye. Where is my outro?